It's almost like it's Christmas, y'all. Like, it feels like Christmas. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, I want to go ahead and open up my FabFitFun package. This is the Spring 2024 package, and I'm so excited to see what is in here, you guys. And this video is not sponsored, but they did go ahead and send me a package. They've been sending me packages lately, so I think this is something fun that y'all want to see in case you're interested in FabFitFun, what you can get with them, what we're getting this spring. Girl, I have no clue. Okay, I'm ready to see what is in this box. All right, so with that being said, of course, I do have a coupon code for you guys on the screen in case y'all want to save a little bit of money if you do decide to go with FabFitFun. Like I told you guys, this is not sponsored, but the last package I got from them, I absolutely loved it for the winter time. So I feel like with the spring one, it is going to be a good time. Okay, now let's go ahead and see what's in here, y'all, because it's been sitting here for like 2 weeks now. All right, I'm ready to open this baby up. So I'm gonna cut this open, this big old box. It's almost like it's Christmas, y'all. Like, it feels like Christmas every single time I get a package this big. So let me cut this open and show you guys the inside. So they actually include their own box in the inside of this big old box because they don't want people stealing people's packages, which I completely understand. So let's grab this one and see what's in here. So here is the box, and I love the fact that I didn't even know what color it was gonna be. So this is pretty nice to be matching with it. But this is everything in here. I just love this. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, so this is the inside right here. And then also you get to customize the products that you want. Sometimes they do run out. So that's what I mean by, like, I don't know what to expect, because I get to pick the items I want. But sometimes if they run out, they will go ahead and put a substitute in here. But let's just jump right into it. Okay, I already see makeup. So this is the Magrath Labs Perma Precision Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Extreme Black. And this is what it looks like with the blue packaging. This is so stunning. I have never used a Magrath Labs eyeliner, and I just know it's about to be fire. So let's see what it's given. Okay, so this is the packaging of it right here. And here is the pen. I want to see. Oh, yeah. Y'all, this thing, when I tell you it is, like, this is pitch black. Oh wow, this is pitch black. Yeah, my eyeliner is literally about to be on point because I've been using, you know, different products here and there. There's none that I absolutely love. This one is like black. It is like a, you know, long tip, like the perfect pen to work with right here. I hope y'all have seen that. Let me wipe this off before it sets. Actually already set in 2 seconds, so it's not moving anywhere. But yeah, this is super limited. I love the blue box, and I also love this as well. I know I'm gonna have a good time with this. Okay, I've been loving eyeliner as of lately, so this is gonna be in my rotation. So the next item I see is the St. Jane Luxury Sun Ritual Pore Smoothing SPF Sunscreen and Primer. If y'all watch my videos, y'all know how much I rave about this. It is my favorite sunscreen and primer. This is what I have on my face today, actually. And I'm actually running out of mine. So having this, I was so excited because I freaking love them, you guys. They are like the best. I love this texture so much. You guys know what it looks like at this point in terms of like the actual formula. It is so bomb, all right? So here is the packaging of it. And in case you haven't tried this before, the formula is more like a very just creamy sunscreen and primer. It's not too liquidy. It's not too like luminous where, like, you know, your makeup is going to move around. It is a perfect primer and sunscreen that sets down nicely. And it does have like a matte finish as well. So you guys know how much I love this. Like, I am so hyped right now. Yeah, just having a backup of this, I'm just happy. So the next thing I see in here is the 8 Other Reasons earrings. And I remember I wanted this because I've never tried it before, but it comes in this nice little set of like mini, just like half hoops is what you call them, in terms of the earrings. Okay, So when I open this up, I'll show you guys a better look at it, but it is just a beautiful set. They feel really nice and just durable. But this is what they look like in case you're interested. They're so stunning. Just mini half hoops. Okay, hope y'all can see that. So this is what they look like up close. They are so stunning. Like I told you guys, they're like half hoops. And I've been loving jewelry, you guys know, for years now. Like besides makeup, one thing that gets me super excited is jewelry, and just having things like this. I am just gonna be wearing this all the time. They feel really heavy. And on the back, it says on here that you have to love it unconditionally. Go gentle. I'm very delicate, okay? I can't swim, so you can't put this in water. Perfume, no thanks, I'm allergic. And it says keep me safe at night. So it's super cute. I cannot wait to wear this, you guys. It looks so stunning. I'm just such like a jewelry girl. Okay, I love me some jewelry. So this one definitely gonna go in my jewelry collection after this video. So this next one is actually a bag, you guys. Hold up. Y'all know, you guys don't know, I love me a bag. So yeah, how do I open this up in the best way possible? I'm just gonna rip it at this point. It's like a clutch, you guys. So this is from Melli Bianco. Okay, this is their bag, and it's a nice clutch, you guys. Like this is the cutest thing ever. You guys see the little knot right here. Are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? I love me a bag. And you just get to open this up and put your items in here. This is so cute. It is giving me like vacation. All right. And it also has like a mini zipper in here in case you want to put more things. But this is such a cute purse. I can just see myself wearing this when I go out. Just, you know, grab it like this because it's so cute. I'm obsessed with this. I am obsessed with this, and I don't have a cream bag like this, so this is new for me. It's just so cute with the little knot right here. It makes me feel like I need to go on vacation. All right, that is what I'm missing right now in my life. But I love this so much, especially for the springtime, you guys. This is gonna be like my go-to bag. So let's see, the next thing I do have is the PJ Salvage California. Wait, hold on, is this what I think it is? Hold on, y'all, let me open this up. Yeah! Wait, I'm so excited. So this is you guys know when people wash their face and the water drips down, you know, their hand. This is what it is. Now they actually tied this, so you do get like a little, if I can get this out. Okay, perfect. So you do get this to put around your hair, of course, to push it back when you wash your face. I use these all the time when I steam my face because I don't want my hair to curl when I, you know, steam my face and detox my face. But I finally own one of these, okay, where I can go ahead and wash my face without water dripping on my hands, y'all. Like literally, I'm a menace when I wash my face. Like water is all over my sink, it's down my hand, it's on my shirt. Having this, I just feel a little bit like put together, okay? Especially having this too as well. Y'all, it is so lit. Y'all can just tell like how happy I am because I've always seen people have this and I didn't know where they were getting it from, but now I have my own. So this again is from PJ Salvage on California. This is really cute. It feels so soft. I am gonna have me a good time tonight when I wash my face. So this one, cannot wait to use. So I only have one more item left, and this is a bag. Okay, let's open this up. And I believe, yeah, this is like an olive green brown bag. If you guys know me, I love green, I love olive, I love everything about it. It's my favorite thing in the whole entire world. So this is the Beyond Yoga bag. This is for, let me see, I believe when I was reading about it, because I didn't know if this would sell out before they sent it to me, this is for like when you go to the gym or you go work out. It's nice to have a cute bag like this. Number one, this is what it looks like. So freaking cute, okay? Now it has different things going on. So in the back, it has like the backpack straps right here. So you can go ahead and throw this on. And then it also has this in the front like this, in case you just, you know, want to grab it like this. This is probably what I would do, knowing me. And then also it has this feature here to tighten your bag and make it look like a duffel. That's so cute. Okay, and then also in the inside, it has like a zipper right here to throw some items in there. All right, what else is in here? Okay, and then you also have these side pockets, you know, to put your water bottles in here. And then also, I feel like the best part is on the bottom, they have more storage for you guys as well to throw something in here. So this is like an all-in-one bag. Knowing me, I'm probably gonna use this when I go to the airport, because this is such a good bag, you know, to travel with. Like, you can put so many things and items in here, all the compartments, you can put it on as a backpack, and it's like my favorite color. I am just so hyped right now. This is too cute, okay? Beyond Yoga is what it's called. This is so cute. But you guys, that is everything I got for the FabFitFun Spring collection, okay? I am so excited. Every single item in here, I was like super geeked over, because like I just love makeup and I love bags and I love jewelry, and it's just so perfect. So yeah, I definitely enjoyed the spring collection. Like I told you guys before, go ahead and use my code if you want to save a little bit of money. No pressure at all. But let me know your thoughts down below if you guys do have any of these items, and you know, let me know if you like them, if you use them all the time, because I know I'm about to use them all the time. Okay, so yes, before you guys do leave, make sure you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.